The Custom Fields tab is located within the customer account. Custom fields are established by your business to record specific types of information about your customers, and each business creates their own fields, unique to their own requirements. This example shows a variety of fields. To update information, select Edit. Information can be stored in multiple formats including free text, date, numeric, checkboxes, and links to websites. Record the required details and save. Wherever there is additional information that you need to know about your customers, a custom field gives you the flexibility to record it.